Did you notice the healthcare sentiment score skyrocketing to plus 0.74 with an impressive momentum of plus 0.98? This is a significant spike compared to our historical baseline, suggesting a sudden surge in positive sentiment. With 18 semantic clusters indicating diverse conversations, it's clear there's a lot happening right now. Our API returns structured insights, including sentiment scores and momentum trends, allowing you to gauge public sentiment in real time. Imagine leveraging this data to enhance your predictive models for healthcare investments, or to inform decision-making in clinical trials. You could identify which health topics are gaining traction, enabling you to stay ahead of the curve. For detailed documentation, visit pulsebit.logenterprise.com/docs. Dive into the data and discover the insights waiting for you.